Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn on the photo data option for TextScan in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then click on Settings, the gear icon on the top right. Then click on Privacy. After that, scroll all the way down and you will find Provide Photo Data for TextScan. You can enable this option and it will allow the collection of your photo data to improve Line service. Go ahead and tap on it, and if it is selected to opt out, just go ahead and select Opt in, and you can click on Agree after you read all of this. So go ahead and click on Agree, and you can now see that you have given access or turn on the photo data for the TextScan in Line. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.